The top of the Christian Democratic parliamentary group in Germany reacted with dismay to the sudden death of the Christian Democratic member of the Bundestag, Karin Strenz. The 53-year-old parliamentarian from Mecklenburg-Western Pomerania collapsed on the flight back from Cuba on Sunday and could not be rescued despite an emergency landing in Ireland. The leader of the Union parliamentary group, Ralf Brinkhaus, said all group members were affected by the news. The chairman of the Mecklenburg-Western Pomerania regional group, Eckhard Rehberg, spoke of a human tragedy. Rehberg stated that Strenz and her husband's trip to Cuba was evidently of a private nature. In any case, there was no official reason. 2 years ago, Strenz came under fire for apparently receiving grants from Azerbaijan while she was a member of the parliamentary delegation of the Council of Europe and for supporting the rulers there. Since she was late in declaring this income as ancillary income, the Bundestag imposed a fine on her. A few weeks ago, these events again came into the public eye after suspected payments to MP Axel Fischer in connection with Azerbaijan had also become known. The pressure on the MPs also grew recently because other parliamentary group members got into the headlines because of other ancillary business. The MPs Georg Nöblein and Niklas Löbel left the Union parliamentary group. Löbel also gave up his mandate. Nöblein, on the other hand, wants to keep his until the federal election. The Schwerin public prosecutor said on Monday that the circumstances of death should be clarified through a request for legal assistance to the Irish authorities. A death investigation had been initiated for this purpose. A spokesman said it was expected that an autopsy could provide information. Mourning flags were ordered on the buildings of the Bundestag in Berlin on Monday. The state chairman of the CDU in Mecklenburg-Western Pomerania, Michael Sachs, said, "The early death of Karin Strenz is undoubtedly a human tragedy. The thoughts are with her husband, relatives and friends." Strenz was a special school teacher and later also worked as a management consultant. She was born on October 14th in 1967 in the small Mecklenburg town of Lübz. In 1999, she began a political career for the Christian Democrats in the Parchim District Council. Later, she was in the state parliament for several years and also on the Christian Democrat Regional Executive Committee. In 2009, she entered the Bundestag for the first time, and in 2017 she won the direct mandate again with 30% of the first votes. She no longer wanted to run for the upcoming federal election.